Hello, everybody. It's Friday, June 9th. It's 3:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, about a half hour before the regular session close. We have a great day for the auto trader today. A lot of charts firing. The time and sales, E-mini S&P trading at 2428.75. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, first up is the Nasdaq, and we hit our goal of 2,000 on the Nasdaq. There was quite a few trades. The market very volatile today. If I tighten this up, we can see our equity curve. So from our opening equity, we had very little drawdown, only about $250, and we came up to our first equity high of about 1,400, gave some back, and then rallied to finish hitting our goal. So a fantastic return for the Nasdaq. Next up is the E-mini S&P and a 5,000 tick line break. This had two trades trading three contracts, and this hit its goal of $1,000. Trading did 1,062.50, and we probably had positive slippage on this one. Just want to say on the previous chart of the Nasdaq, $2,000 is a huge gain for anybody. Even if your account was $100,000, $2,000 is a big gain for automated trading in futures. Okay, once again, the BWT line break logic is proving solid. On the E-mini S&P 2500 tick line break, we did 925, and this probably hit its goal of 1,000 and had a tick or two of slippage, but we had two winners and one loser, a short here, a loser, and then another short. And you can see the trend of the market. What a line break chart does is eliminates a great deal of noise, and we see the true trend here. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 6 tick chart that begins trading at noon. This had three small losers to begin with, followed by a really solid short trade and then a long, and we hit our goal of 750 for the day. This is only trading two contracts, so 750 on two contracts is strong. Next up is the bonds on the 377 tick line break. We've seen this chart quite a few times, and we had two winning trades back to back. Again, you see the clean trend on the line break bars, and the auto trader caught both the short and the long back to back. Many times I've said how difficult this would be to do. This hit its goal of $1,000 trading only two contracts. Okay, the gold was active today. This did 790 trading two contracts. A couple of nice looking trades here. Back to back, short and a long. Losers look to be relatively small. Couple of trades on the bonds, 150 tick line break chart. A loser to begin with, but then coming back with back-to-back short and long trades, and then currently short here. This remains to be seen, the outcome. But we have a closed P&L of 437.50 and kind of break even as we speak. Okay, the crude oil and a Super Renko 6 tick. We've seen this chart a lot. This did 590 for the day, a number of trades here. This one is using our line break logic. This is trading only two contracts. Again, the DAX on the Super Renko 14 tick had a loser to begin, but came back with a winning trade to do 475 for the day on two contracts. Okay, a modest gain on the Japanese yen. And on this one, I need to roll over the futures contract. I didn't do it on this chart, but still, it did almost 300 for the day. Okay, next up, trying out Renko bars on the bonds. And this had a modest gain of 375 for the day. A small gain on the bonds on the Super Renko 2 tick chart, just a single trade here. And I think I changed the parameters on this one, kind of a scalping kind of deal. Yep, I did. trading only 2 contracts and going for 3 or 4 ticks. So this did that. It hit its goal. It could have went much further, but I'm kind of doing an experiment to see 7 ticks in the bonds is $200 a day. So 200 a day is 1,000 a week times 50 weeks. That's 50,000 a year. Okay, coming back to our big winner of the day, the Nasdaq on fire today. That's all for this video. I'm also going to show some live trading on some indicator videos. I'm going to work on those over the weekend, but I'm going to show the BWT scalping technique using our indicators. These are live trades with real money in my own account. Thanks for watching today.